Little Puppy, a short moral story. Once upon a time, there was a little puppy named Max. Max was the smallest and the cutest puppy in the whole neighborhood. He had soft, fluffy fur and big round eyes that sparkled with mischief. Max lived with a loving family who adored him. They would play with him, feed him delicious treats, and take him on walks in the park. Max was always full of energy and would wag his tail with excitement whenever he saw his family. One sunny day, while exploring the park, Max noticed a little girl sitting on a bench, looking sad. Max's heart melted with empathy, and he knew he had to do something to make her smile. He ran up to her and started licking her face, wagging his tail furiously. The little girl couldn't help but burst into laughter and hugged Max tightly. From that day on, Max and the little girl became the best of friends. Max brought so much joy and happiness to the little girl's life, and she was forever grateful for their friendship. Moral of the story is, even the littlest acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. Just like Max, we should always be ready to spread love, joy, and happiness to those around us. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.